In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay personal account into a business account with just a few simple steps. Whether you're ready to step up your sales game or just need to switch to accommodate your growing business, I'll guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Head over to the eBay homepage and simply enter your login details to access your account. Once logged in, you should see your username near the top left of the screen. Now what you'll want to do is hover your mouse over your name. A drop down menu will appear and you should navigate to the option labelled Account Settings. Click on that and it will take you to the page where you can manage all the details of your account. Next, you'll be looking for the section entitled Personal Information. This is where you can make various changes related to your account. Click on Personal Information and a new page will open up showing all sorts of settings and credentials. Now keeping an eye out for the Account Type section is key here. Once you find it, you'll notice there's an Edit button over to the right hand side. Go ahead and click on that button. You're now being directed to the Change Account Type page, which is exactly where you need to be for our next step. Here's where the actual switch happens. On this page, you'll have the option to change your account type. Simply select Business Account from the available choices. To finalize this change, there will be a confirmation process. Be sure to confirm your selection to proceed. Making this switch opens up a realm of opportunities, allowing you to enter your business details, which is perfect for sellers managing multiple sales or a store on eBay. You're almost done. Now you'll be required to enter your relevant business information. This includes your business name, contact information, and importantly, your returns policy. All these details will enhance your business's credibility and help your buyers know what to expect. Be as thorough as possible when entering this information. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that everything you've updated is properly recorded, making your account ready to operate as a business entity on eBay. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've converted your personal account to a business account on eBay. You can now enjoy the benefits and features that come with a business account, such as increased selling limits and professional branding options. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy selling.